The digital nomad life. It's 2024, and the gig economy is booming like never before. Freelancers around the globe are tapping into their skill sets, looking for the golden trio of high-income skills that open the doors to financial freedom and flexibility. So, if you're itching to make your mark and rake in some serious dough online, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the top 3 high-income skills for freelancers in 2024 that are as lucrative as they are in demand. 1. AI development and ethical AI consulting. With AI technology evolving at breakneck speed, it's no surprise that AI development and ethical AI consulting are at the top of our list. Companies are on the hunt for talented individuals who can not only develop AI solutions, but also navigate the complex ethical terrain that comes with it. From creating smarter algorithms to ensuring AI systems are free from bias and respect privacy, the scope is vast and varied. If you've got a knack for coding and a passion for ethical technology, this field is your oyster. And let's not forget, as AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, the demand for skilled professionals in this area is only going to skyrocket. 2. Digital marketing and SEO expertise. In an era where the online marketplace is more crowded than a New York subway at rush hour, standing out is key. That's where digital marketing and SEO expertise come into play. Businesses big and small are constantly seeking ways to boost their online presence and reach their target audience more effectively. If you can master the art of SEO, content marketing, social media strategies, and data analytics, you're in for a treat. The beauty of digital marketing is that it's always evolving, which means there's always something new to learn and ways to grow. Plus, the results of your work are measurable, making it easier to prove your worth to potential clients. 3. UX or UI design. Last but definitely not least, we have UX or UI design. In a world where user experience can make or break a business, companies are willing to pay top dollar for designers who can create intuitive, engaging, and aesthetically pleasing digital experiences. Whether it's websites, mobile apps, or software applications, the demand for skilled UX or UI designers is through the roof. If you have an eye for design and a user-centric mindset, this field offers not only a high income, but also the chance to work on a variety of exciting projects across industries. And there you have it, the top 3 high-income skills for freelancers in 2024. Whether you're coding the next AI breakthrough, crafting a digital marketing strategy that goes viral, or designing an app that becomes everyone's favorite, the opportunities to make money online are endless. Just remember, the key to success in the freelance world is not just about mastering your skill, but also about continuously learning, adapting, and networking. So, gear up, dive in, and who knows?